Hey y'all, today we're diving into American-made socks. Now I've posted a couple of videos on the channel about socks before, one all the way back in 2020 and one a few years ago showing you all of my socks that are made in the USA, and we've added a lot of companies to our research since then, so I figured it's about time for an update. Now this is a category with a lot of American-made options, and I'm not going to cover all of them in today's video. We have well north of 30 American-made sock brands in our written research on allamerican.org, so I'll put a link to that in the description below for y'all to check out our full list. But today I'm going to cover 10 brands that I think y'all should check out. For a lot of products, finding domestically sourced raw materials can be hard to come by, but that's not the case for socks, which are essentially a blend of cotton, wool, or synthetic materials, all of which are abundantly available from US suppliers. So you should have no problem finding a lot of brands that are 100% made and sourced in the US, and a lot of the brands I'm mentioning in today's video definitely fit that criteria. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video because you'll be able to save some money. We have some exclusive discount codes with a lot of these American-made sock brands that are just for our allamerican.org readers and viewers. So without further ado, let's start highlighting these 10 great American-made sock companies, starting with Camel City Mill. Camel City Mill's based in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and makes wool work socks from 100% US sourced merino wool. Their socks are super breathable, comfortable, and durable. I actually own a couple of pairs myself. I only have one pair right here because the other's in the laundry, but I really love these guys. This is their thicker version of their wool socks. They also have a thinner variety, but I did a full feature YouTube video on these guys, which I'll put a link to in the description below. And we also have an exclusive discount code for y'all, so you can use the code ALLAMERICAN for 10% off your entire order with Camel City Mill. Next up is Farm to Feet. Farm to Feet makes really high quality socks for everything from everyday wear to hiking socks and a lot more, and they're doing it the right way with 100% US sourced materials and an American workforce at their factory in Mount Airy, North Carolina. I actually have a pair of their ankle socks, which are really part of my everyday rotation, and I also did a tour of their factory in Mount Airy a couple of years ago, so I'll put a link to that in the description below in case you want to check out a really cool behind the scenes look about how Farm to Feet socks are made. Next up is Boardroom Socks. These folks are based in Charlotte, North Carolina, and make really high quality men's dress socks. I have a few pairs of their dress socks. One of them is right here, which you can see a pretty cool, unique pattern. If it'll get into focus, there we go. And I also did an exclusive factory tour with these guys, actually one of the very first factory tours that I ever did on this channel. So I'll put a link to that in the description below in case y'all want to check out how Boardroom socks are actually made and the knitting mill that they use in North Carolina. But Boardroom Socks is really great, family-run company. Can't recommend these guys enough in case you want some stylish men's dress socks. Next up is Thorlo. Thorlo is a huge American sock manufacturer that got started in 1980 and is based in Statesville, North Carolina. They have a lot of different options for everyday wear, but really shine in terms of athletic socks. Everything from your no-show and ankle socks all the way to your over-the-calf varieties. They do use some imported yarn, but also have a lot of domestically sourced materials in their socks and are obviously also doing all of their assembly and manufacturing in Statesville. Next up is BAMTech. BAMTech's based in Folsom, California, and makes really unique performance-oriented socks that are all made from bamboo material, which is very naturally cooling and antibacterial. I had a big chat with their team, and they are super passionate about being made in the USA, and they also offered an exclusive discount code for y'all. So you can use the code ALLAMERICAN20 in your cart at checkout, and you can get 20% off your entire order. Next up is Duckworth. Duckworth's based in Bozeman, Montana, and makes really great merino wool socks from 100% US sourced wool. They have everything from ski socks to normal athletic socks and a lot of other varieties. I have their kind of calf height wool socks here, and definitely one of my go-tos for the winter season. Also make sure to check out the rest of their inventory outside of socks. They have a lot of other really great wool apparel and accessories. Next up is Unbleached Apparel. Unbleached Apparel offers really simple socks that are proudly made in the USA, and much like the name suggests, everything's made from natural undyed cotton. That means they're free of dyes, plastics, and bleach, so if that's important to y'all, definitely give Unbleached Apparel a look. Next up is Fox River Socks. Fox River Socks is based in Iowa and has been making socks in the US for over 100 years. Their socks are especially great for folks who just enjoy the outdoors or are in colder temperatures a lot. They also make socks specifically designed for snow and skiing, and they also have military grade socks, so if that sounds like you, Fox River Socks might be a good option. But they're a great company with a lot of variety, and we have another exclusive discount code for y'all. You can use the code ALLAMERICAN for 15% off at checkout. Next up is Darn Tough. Now I know some of y'all are probably thinking, when is he gonna mention Darn Tough? Well, here they are. Darn Tough has been making really durable socks for around 40 years out of their factory in Northfield, Vermont. These are great work socks or outdoor adventure socks, and honestly just great for everyday wear. I have a pair of their wool socks in my sock drawer and wear them really often. Next up is Ruck Socks. These folks are based in Sanford, North Carolina, and make really high performance rucking socks for law enforcement, military, and just hardworking folks who need a pair of socks to hold up to their boots and the elements. Almost their entire supply chain is based in North and South Carolina, and they also source a lot of their wool for their socks from ranchers in the western US. I actually have a pair of their socks right here, and as you can see, they are nice and thick, and they're pretty comfortable too. Alrighty y'all, there you have it, 10 American-made sock brands. Did I mention any of your favorites, or are there others you want to shout out? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. It definitely helps me out, and it helps you out because YouTube's going to recommend more great videos on American manufacturers. Thanks as always for y'all's support, and I'll see y'all soon.